Bishal Sarkar here. Today I want to talk about the 3 C's of powerful communication. So check this out.
Oh, thanks for this awesome video.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
Bishal Sarkar here. If you want to really become a powerful communicator, make sure you watch the video till the end, because at the end I'm also going to give you an opportunity to really be mentored by me, no matter whether you're 45-year-old or 55-year-old. If you really want to become a powerful speaker, or 35-year-old, I'm going to show you exactly how to speak like a CEO so that you can speak like a leader. The 3 C's are connect, convey, convince. Most people want to convince, and that is absolutely fine. They want to convey a lot, they want to talk a lot, they want to convince your wife. Maybe you've tried that. Convince your wife, convince your wife about going to that special dinner. Maybe you are convincing your boss for that raise. You're convincing your clients to renew their thingy. You're convincing friends to go for that special trip, whatever that convincing that you want to do. So many people do their best. They think they have to convey a lot, but understand this: without connection there is no conviction. Okay,
a couple of years ago, I didn't even know how to be a good speaker, and today I am a powerful speaker because every sessions, every programs, your mentoring program, public speaking program, mastermind program, your one-on-one coaching program, every session, every experience has helped me to discover my true self and connect to my authentic self, and today I am a powerful speaker. And I thank myself because instead of being skeptical and judgmental about myself, I took these opportunities and I believe that opportunities are seeking me. And the only difference between all the people out there and me is that you are dreaming your dream, and I'm living my dream.
if you see this triangle here, most people have zero connection with the audience. Right? If you're speaking to one too many audience, 30 people, 50 people, 100 people, or even 5 people, or 1 person, if the connection is very small here, then you're doing your best to convey a lot. You are talking, you are doing all the things, you're giving them information, you're making a good case, you're making good points, but the conviction, they are not convinced at all. Why? Because the connection, the foundation was not wrong. So what you should do, rather, if you see here right now, is that the connection is the major portion here. And after a good level of connection is happening between you and the boss, you and the wife, you and the audience, you and the client, you and the stranger, then you have to do a little bit of convey. You have to convey not much, because connection is very good. Little bit of convey and they'll be fully convinced. Can you see that? Can you see the power of that? This is what most people do, and that's why they are average speakers, because there is no connection. They're talking a lot, there is no conviction, so people are not being convinced. But if you connect, if you understand how to connect with the audience, what is their need, what is their interest, their desire, their connection, their expectation, their concern, and when you have the audience focused mindset, right, WIIFM, what's in it for me, once you understand when you really deeply connect with them, after that a little bit of convey, fully they'll be convinced. I'll give you a small example right now.
Hey guys, if you want to be part of the mastermind group or the confident speaker conference, don't think, look back, take action, be an action taker. Just like me, 3 years back, I was in a miserable state. I was not able to connect with my audience, my clients, even my team members for that matter. Today, I make an impact with my presentations.
For example, I remember when I was probably 7 or 8 year old, I had to go to the hospital for getting some injection. And I remember my mother was telling me, you have to get the injection. My father was telling me, you have to get the injection, you have to get the injection, you have to get the injection. And I was so scared. I was not convinced at all to get the injection. Guess what? I was not going for hours and hours. I cried, and I was like, no, I closed myself in a small room, and I said, I'm not going. And then one of my uncles came, my mama came, and he said, Bishal, you don't have to go for the injection. In fact, let me see the wound. And I showed him, and I was crying. I was like, what was he doing? He was connecting with me. So I was like, yeah. And he said, oh my God, it should pain. I'm sure it pains a lot. I said, yeah, it's paining a lot. It's for the last 1 hour, for last 2 hours. This, that. And then he told me, Bishal, Bittu, what do you think will happen if you don't get the injection? I said, no, I'm afraid of injection. He said, no, you're fine. You don't have to take injection. But if you don't take any medication, what do you think will happen? I don't know, what do you think? And he said that your pain will increase bit too, and it will be a bad wound, and after that you will not be able to play cricket because cricket is your favorite game, and guess what? You will not be able to do anything. You have to be in the room looking outside the window and all your friends will be playing. Is that what you want? I said, no, I have to play. And I was, wiping my, no, I have to play. And then he said, then very simple, see, Bittu, injection will take 10 seconds of pain, and after that from tomorrow you can go to play cricket. I said, let's go. How much of conveying he did? Very small. He connected, he understood my root cause. He understood what I was looking for. I was afraid of the pain. So instead of forcing me toward the pain, he gave me a bigger pain that if you don't do this, you'll not be able to play cricket from tomorrow. Cricket has been my favorite game always, back in the days. And then a little bit of conveying is that Bishal or Bittu, 10 seconds of pain, from tomorrow you can play. This, and then I was easily convinced. So don't do this. Don't convey a lot, connect a lot. Because I think most people, what they do is that they, if you think about it, husband and wife, if you're a husband or a wife, whatever, you go to your spouse and there is zero connection. You're conveying this much and your wife is not this much convinced. Versus a wise husband really takes the time to connect. I understand. Yeah, my mother, I understand. My mother is sometimes very, what do you think we should do? Yeah, okay. Can I make a small suggestion? Yeah. Because now you heard her problems and you connected, you convey this much, she'll be this much convinced. That's my tip for you right now. So connect, convey, convinced. And if you want to learn the art of connecting with your audience, connecting with your boss, connecting with your clients, connecting with your people, connecting with your wife, and connecting with yourself, with your purpose, with your absolute mission, so that you have more energy, more confidence, more communication, and the results you want in your life, make sure you call the number and we'll be happy to help you. We'll connect with you and understand exactly what you're trying to convey and convince in your life. Bishal Sarkar here, reminding you that public speaking is not about perfection. It's all about connection.
I am Dr. Praveen Sundarkar. I am prosthodontist, dentist by profession, practicing at Nagpur, Maharashtra, and working as a professor in Amravati Dental College. I am taking day-to-day lectures in my institute, as well as I take workshops at various places in Maharashtra. But the biggest challenge to me was a little bit stage fear. Not, I can say, I was confident about the stage, but potential was there. But sometimes I get hesitate during giving lecture. Spontaneous speaking is difficult to me, and that's some sort of out of comfort zone. Whenever I wanted to go, some hesitation was there, and I wanted to reduce that hesitation. And little bit problem in speaking English I was thinking I am having. So that was my challenge. That were my challenges before coming to this workshop.
I am Pushottam Joshi from Information Technology. I was a very senior project manager, and I wanted to give back to the society. So now I have started an organization to help the villages. I had lots of issues in expressing. I used to cry when anybody counters me or any conflicting question comes. I did a lot, and in fact I did extremely well in my organization. I was awarded even the best project manager. And I was one of the, I had 150 people in my organization, and I did extremely well, and I'm very happy for that. And but after that, my vision changed. I wanted to help my society, which gave me all this communication power, and I have also very good status in society.
Hi, my name is Chandrasekhar. I work for the society. Yeah, I came here to learn how to avoid the stage fear. But now this is the third day. I understand that I have learned much more, because it's not that the stage fear alone was backing me out, but there are many aspects of it, and the tips, the techniques which I received here, it's really fantastic. Means I think I can now need not to worry about anymore about the stage fear. I can go to any stage without even preparing, and I feel that I can present give an excellent presentation.
biggest improvement I got that what Bishal said, that if you are having potential, that doesn't make difference unless and until you are committed 100%, and that crossed the level. Means definitely I remember in the past I was having little bit potential, but I was not committed, and that is the biggest thing I achieved within this 2 days workshop. Then second thing, whatever the spontaneous speaking, I came to know the ways of spontaneous speaking on any topic whichever given. Third thing, that although I was a little bit confident, but that hesitation was there whenever I was going out of comfort zone. That hesitation gone completely.
I started an organization. It's a non-profit organization to help villages and especially farmers and students how they can stand on their feet. So I started working, and I'm working with the corporates. So it is a total new area where I have to communicate this message of how they can get educated. So it is a bigger challenge. My vision is bigger. So I wanted to develop my communication still further in basically getting the message, getting the support from corporates, CSRs, and making a difference for the society. So I felt that Bishal Sarkar had the ability, and he had proven it. N number of people. He had transformed many number of people, and he was one of the gems I saw that I can learn from him. So that is the reason that I wanted to basically develop my communication still further in impacting the society positively.
Before coming to this course, I had by getting onto the stage, thinking about it, it was very scary. But today, I can go to any, whether it is 1,500, 2,000 or 3,000 audience, I can just get onto the stage and I can deliver it. That's the confidence I have.
I attended so many workshops before that courses, but I found Vishal as a live example of as a mentor, because he actually our mentor should not be like that. He is just speaking something, but he is not following in his life. I found Vishal that out of on the stage and off the stage, he is similar, constantly boosting our confidence, having 100% commitment, and not for the workshop only or not for these 2 days only. He is whatever he was speaking from the heart, bottom of the heart, and he wanted that everyone should do it. That not only looking for not only saying that he should everyone should do it, he was looking for doing it everyone or not, and constantly bombarding on that. That's the great point I found, and great difference I found in other mentors and Vishal.
Every area of life gives different challenges. So some of the things was, I know the content, I have the ability, I know the how to solve the problems, but there were some things dragging me down to it. Basically, I was not able to solve to the extent of my ability. So I did not know what are those things which are dragging me. So in these 2 days, Bishal Sarkar was able to take me back in my childhood memories. Some of those memories I didn't even know that. One example is 30-year back, there was some incident. To remember that, it took a long time, but those incidents have made me not go forward. So some of those things which happened, something deep down in my subconscious mind, I was not able to figure it out. So he is able to, with his ability to transform any number of people, he is able to identify them. In fact, I am very happy that with the knowledge and skills, and it is more about it is not much about more than speaking. It is what happens behind the speaking. It is more about the subconsciously, what are those things which are pulling us down. He has shown us by his own examples how to come out of it, so that we'll be able to make a better impact in public speaking. So public speaking is the end result, but what are those root causes? He is working on those root causes, and I'm very happy that I'm going to be using them and making a better impact.
Bishal Sarkar means I can't explain in a single sentence the entire personality, the dynamic personality he has, and the knowledge he has, the repository of knowledge, means the techniques, how to improve the life as a whole, not only the stage fear, not only the connection with the audience, but in your personal life as well, because the complete man, the making of a complete man, a complete individual, that he explained during these 3 days, and he was completely with us, each and every moment where he was available to clear the doubts, to teach us how to improve, and that's it. I like, and he's a fantastic person.
I would recommend not only those who want to be a successful public speaker or leader, everyone must have one mentor in their life, definitely, to improve, to create balanced life, balanced professional, personal as well as family life. And Bishal is the best person from which everyone should get mentorship. And here, before coming here, I was thinking that I want to improve public speaking only, but the biggest thing I achieved again, that out of comfort zone, and everyone should come out of comfort zone when we want to get a financial freedom, when we want to get a time freedom and balanced life. And for that, everyone must attend Vishal's workshop.
I have attended. I had worked in the United States of America about 20 years back for 4 years. I have seen n number of speakers. I had even attended some courses, but very rarely you will find a person who is internally and externally so pure and sincere, and in fact he gives all his best to make people come out of their problems. And in fact, I will say, after I have met about hundreds of people who have been very successful, but they don't share all their problems. They hide some of the things. What I'm saying is they are not as transparent as Bishal Sarkar. So that is one of the things. He is internally and externally pure. So that is the thing that I feel that he can make a difference. He has already done it. Somebody who wants to know, really develop their communication skills, he is the one.
I think you should not wait for another day. You should come here, you should learn what is available, and you should go back as an excellent guy. As an individual, that I explained already, because he has transformed, I got a transformation. I think I got a transformation because not only the stage fear, but as an individual, that he has taught us about how to improve the quality of life, how to give more time to the children, how to give more time to the family, and transformation as an individual, as a whole.